When the lockdown was announced, it brought about shock, fear, anxiety. I knew it was the right thing, but in saying that, I still had that fear for my workers.
We were so confused. What went through my mind is how we're going to take care of our families.
When I got a call to potentially make masks for Take-A-Lot and for Superbalist, I saw and I recognized the opportunity in this to give some relief to the staff, but at the same time contribute to the situation where we can actually save lives. So when we got to work, you could just see the smile on their faces. Safety of the staff, it's not even a discussion. I had to make sure that everybody understands. On arrival at work, hands need to be sanitized, temperatures are checked, every person wears a mask. Social distancing is absolutely imperative, and here we are. And I'm delighted that the first batch will be dispatched.
So the mask is actually there to prevent the spread of the virus. So when I pack the items, I place one mask in each box, making sure each customer gets a mask.
Going forward, we as South Africans, we need to work together. Like we're working together at the moment, so we will get out of this.